Welcome to Cake County, your official sweet spot for all things bake. From fluffy cakes to sweet pastries, cozy treats to bold creations, we are here to make every bite a celebration. Join the Cake County and never let a crumb go to waste. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious and very moist condensed milk cake. So to begin, you want to crack 3 eggs. Separate the egg whites from the yolk, and then to the yolk you're going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. So you're going to mix this until they're smooth and fully incorporated. Now to the mixture, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a stick of melted butter. Mix everything until they're well combined. After which you go in with 1 cup and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to mix everything until they are smooth. Then to this, you're going to add, in a little bowl, you're going to add half cup of dry whole milk to 1 cup of water. And then you're going to mix it up and pour it into the batter. Just like so. Okay, so you're going to turn this till it forms a slightly thick, stretchy batter. So you're going to mix this until everything is smooth. Okay, and then you're going to set it aside, and then you're going to work on the egg whites. Okay. So you're going to bring the egg whites. You can either use your whisk or you can use your hand mixer. So you're going to beat the egg whites until they form a thick white foam, just like so. Okay. So you're going to gently fold the egg whites into your batter. And then you're going to give it a gentle stir until everything is fully incorporated. So guys, at this point, I want to use this opportunity to invite you to the county. Please like this video, subscribe to the Cake County, and be a resident of the county. Thank you. So after you're done mixing, you're going to set this aside. Set this aside, and then we're going to grease an 8x3-inch pan. So what I do, I just use a little bit of avocado oil, spray it, then I will dab out the excess oil from the pan, because you don't want excess oil on the pan when you're baking anyway. So I'll clean up the excess oil, then I'm going to pour the cake batter into the pan. This is so easy, guys. Anybody can make this, okay? So pour the cake batter into the pan. Then you want to go ahead and grease a foil sheet, because you're going to cover the pan with the foil. We are not baking, we're going to steam this cake. So you want all the steam, you want the foil to trap the steam, okay? So now you want to transfer the cake batter to a steamer pot. Okay, place your cake into the pot, cover it with additional parchment paper, cover the pot, and let this cake steam for about 50 minutes on medium heat. Okay, once that is done, after 50 minutes, your steamed cake is ready. Just like so. You do the toothpick test, you make sure it comes out smooth. Once that stick is smooth, your cake is ready. It's fully cooked. Okay. So there you go, guys. This is a very simple recipe, very easy to make, and every time it gives you delicious steamed fluffy cakes. Okay. There you go, guys. Can you look at that? Super moist, super soft, so delicious, and very, very easy to make. Right now, you go ahead and cut yourself a big piece for a job well done. Would you look at that? Look at that beauty. So delicious, super soft, super moist. So milky, guys. That extra dried powdered milk took this cake to a different level. This cake came out very milky, very, very soft and moist, so delicious. Try out this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Do have yourself a very blessed weekend. Thank you. Bye bye.